Hello all. Today here I am to pay my gratitude towards the faculty development program organizers of Ramanujan College. I really thank them a lot, all the coordinators, all the resource persons of this workshop for providing such a beautiful workshop to all of us. I think and this workshop has been really successful with the more than 10,000 participants. So first time I'm looking with overwhelming response that you have got. So congratulations to all of you. And first thing that congratulate, I would like to congratulate you that so many topics you have covered in such a beautiful language, so fluently. The information was very easy to understand. And I was having some YouTube videos, but every time I was looking to other videos also that how they might be doing such things, um, different kind of videos they are attached and many more animation videos. So by having participating in this workshop, I got to know how they were having such kind of videos. I got to learn so many things like render forest. I loved it. Render forest, then OBS system, absolutely it has done a great job. I got to learn from this a lot. I was not able to have that image recording, but because of you I've got to learn this thing. It was very joy to have our YouTube videos with the help of different kind of tools you have taught us. So I loved all kind of information you give about the Google Docs, Google Sites, Google Forms. Yeah, I have with the help of that Google Forms and the Google Classroom, I was able to prepare the quizzes of my department. So thankful to all of you for providing such informative talk on various topics and which is the need of hour. And I congratulate you that all the 10,000 participants have utilized their time so beautifully. Initially I was thinking that what assignments every day we have to do, but yeah, if you don't do the assignments you are not going to get that effect of your of the workshop, because unless and until you don't make it use of these tools in your everyday teaching, you are not going to able you will be not able to perform all this task. So it's very necessary to perform all this task in the day-to-day life also for teaching. So I thank you once again all, especially Nikhil Rajput sir. He has taken a lot of painstaking efforts to carry out this work, and all other coordinators, really thank you from my bottom of my heart. Hope you carry out some more workshops like this. Congratulations. Thank you.